In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two $100 per day or more keywords for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Audible ACX. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two $100 per day or more keywords for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Audible ACX. Both of these keywords have the potential to be put into audiobooks, as well as obviously put onto KDP as a paperback and an ebook. And with that in mind, these two keywords are very, very similar and have high potential to make a series out of, make a bundle out of. I know my last video was very similar to this, but I did find these keywords after it, so I wanted to include this as one of my videos this month just to show you guys, so I can show you, because it's time sensitive usually with these keywords. The sooner you get into them, the better. So I wanted to make this video as well and talk about these guys as my December keywords that can make you $100 or more per day. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's jump into my computer. I'll show you these keywords, show you the numbers, and why I think they have the potential to make you a good amount of money every single month on Amazon. So as we can see with keyword number one here, it is another for kids keyword. For some reason, a lot of the keywords I'm finding lately are books that are for kids. Nothing wrong with that. It's just like those are the ones that I've been finding recently that have a little bit less competition for you to get into, that still have the demand there. So this one is card tricks for kids. Now, when it comes to card tricks, you might want to have pictures in the book to depict the different card tricks. So it might not work as well as the other one might work. Both of them might be a little bit difficult to get onto Audible, but I still think you definitely put this onto Audible if you included the PDF with the audiobook download. I think that would make things really interesting, especially if it's for kids. They don't really want to read. Obviously, they want to listen to the book. Probably better if you provide it on audio for the kids sometimes. So anyways, looking at this one, you can see without even removing any outliers, BookBeam is telling me this average BSR is around 67,000, which is very low. And as we see up top here, there's only 2,000 results for card tricks for kids, which again is very low. I like to have it below 5,000 most of the time. That means there's not a whole lot of competition. And again, the lower the average BSR, the better. So 67,000 is a very, very healthy average BSR. Anything lower than 150 to 200,000 is usually what I look for. Clicking the BookBeam extension up here, I'm going to go through it and I'm going to remove a couple of the outliers. So you can see a lot of them are around the 12 or 10,000 to 20,000 mark. This one's looking pretty outlier to me, so I'm going to remove it, 290. And this one's 406, so I'll remove that one as well. And that is going to bring our average BSR down to 27,000, which is very, very low. And you can see there are tons of opportunities for different styles of books here as I scroll through Amazon. Let's exit out of this. See, the top ranking one is making around $177 per day. This one below it, $123 per day. I'm looking right here. BookBeam is showing me this stuff. It shows the amount of sales they're getting per day and their average BSRs. $136 per day, $49 per day, $63 per day. And the best part about it is that not many of these books have thousands of reviews. The one with the most reviews, I believe, is around 600 reviews. So that's just telling you that you can get in here and get only maybe 20 to 50 reviews on your book and compete and do very well as long as you have a high quality book, high quality cover, as I always say. So this is the first keyword here, very similar to the next one, but that's going to show you and give you maybe some ideas to start creating books within this niche. Looking at the second one, you can see it's very similar. It's magic tricks for kids. So putting a book about card tricks and then just general magic tricks and bundling them together, making one book here, and then third book being the bundle. You can do very well with this niche, and you can make a whole brand about just magic in general, or books that are games for kids, something like that. So with the magic tricks for kids, the average BSR is a little bit higher. That's without removing any outliers. The results are a little bit higher as well. But keep in mind, once you have that bundle together, you have that first book, the second book here, all three of these working together, you could definitely make over $100 per day in royalties very, very simply if you do things right, high quality cover, high quality title, stuff like that. So let's take a look at the BookBeam extension here and remove a few of the outliers. You can see there is one with 1 million here and another one with 1 million. So I'm going to remove those two. And that's going to drop our average BSR below 100,000. So again, very, very low. And something I didn't mention, the other one is that the average pricing on these books is around $10, which again is very healthy. And you can definitely price your book around $10.99, $11.99 and make a very good chunk when it comes to your royalty amount, because you got to pay for Amazon's fulfillment costs, stuff like that. So this book up here, Magic Tricks for Kids, it's a top ranking book. It's probably the one you'd be competing with. Again, we're seeing this one rank for this as well. $136 per day. This one again, $177. Scrolling down, you got tons of other books that are making good amounts of money, to be honest with you. This book's making insane amount. This is Magic Treehouse though, so that's kind of not really, that doesn't count. So let's actually remove that one out of here. That's definitely pulling the BSR down. So it makes it 100,000 instead of 95,000. But anyways, this book and the book I just talked about, or this keyword and the keyword I just talked about, Magic Tricks and Card Tricks for Kids, both for kids keywords, are doing very well on Amazon and present a very good opportunity right now. So I wanted to make this video as the December keywords because it can be time sensitive when it comes to these keywords. The sooner you get your books out there, the better, because there's gonna be less competition to compete with, less other books to rank your book against. So you want to get ranking on the first and second page for this particular keyword. High quality cover, again, high quality title, and you're going to be doing very well with these. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these two. There are tons of other magic trip types of books. I can look into this book here and see what the other recommendations are below it, just to see if there's any similar types of keywords. So we got card tricks there again, magic tricks, any other similar ones. Sometimes you can look down here and you can see other books that are similar that have different keywords. Card tricks, cards, lots of card stuff. That's how I found the card trick book, or card trick keyword. Math magician, so math. Magic engineering for kids. So there's other things down here that aren't super similar. Yo-yo tricks for kids. I haven't seen that one before. That's another keyword. But I'm getting into keyword research here and not showing you keywords. But that's a different way you can find similar keywords to a keyword that might be popular. So say you find this Magic Tricks for Kids, you're like, oh wow, that's pretty good. What kind of book could I bundle with it? Click into the book, scroll down and see what other things are being suggested. And usually there's a different kind of keyword that might be similar to the keyword you searched originally that you can make a bundle out of and make even more money off of. That's how I found these two the other day when I was doing research. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those two keywords. That is pretty much it for this video. Magic Tricks for Kids and Card Tricks for Kids. Although very similar, you could definitely make two different books out of them and then bundle the two together and make a bundle. Or you can make a series out of them. Whatever you want to do. Honestly, you could do both and make a lot of money from these keywords. So I think they have tons of potential. And always remember, when you're making kids books, you need to make them simple, which makes creating the book simple. So it's not actually as difficult as making a traditional 30,000 word book. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those two keywords. Before I let you go though, I just want to say to you, if you're not in my free self-publishing Facebook group, there's over 5,000 people in it. And it's just a big group of people where you can ask any questions you have about self-publishing. If you're brand new, it's the perfect spot. Tons of other people you can network with, chat with, message, and just kind of build a good network in terms of the self-publishing community. There's over 5,000 people in it, and it's the first link in the description down below. So if you click that link, you'll be taken to the page where you can join. And once you join, you'll see at the very top of it, there is my 5-step guide to getting started with self-publishing. It's 100% free. So if you want to join that, you click the link down below. I'll take you to the group and I'll see you in there. I'm active in there. I'm answering questions all the time. So it's a great place to get in because it's very valuable as it's very free. So I'll see you in the free Facebook group. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you drop a like on the video, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Try to post new videos every single week about self-publishing, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in next week's video. Peace.